If you are competing with Amazon, you will lose without a shadow of a doubt. Amazon will kick your ass. However, if you follow my training and my strategies, you will never compete with Amazon. You will never be in a situation where you're competing with Amazon. So here is Amazon Elements, that's baby wipes. That's one of their brands. Alphabets, that's also one of Amazon's brands. Mama Bear, also one of Amazon's brands, okay? So the baby category has got a lot of people, a lot of Amazon products competing in it. However, I would never ever tell you to sell baby wipes. What I would tell you to do, and what I do tell you to do, is to sell organic, chemical-free baby wipes that biodegrade into compost, for instance, for soil. So you're not selling baby wipes, you're selling a subset of baby wipes, a different thing to just baby wipes. So if we go back up here, let's do baby wipes, and go search for that. This is the most important thing on Amazon. It truly is. If you get this, it's just a piece of cake making money on Amazon. It truly is. So here's Amazon Elements baby wipes, all right? No worries at all. So we don't want to compete on baby wipes. But if we said instead, organic baby wipes. Now all of a sudden, 7th generation is on the top spot. Well, that ain't Amazon. That ain't Amazon. That ain't Amazon. That isn't Amazon. Now Amazon's nowhere to be seen. The very first level of differentiation that you do, Amazon's out of the game because they don't want to differentiate. They want to sell the big margin, big volume products. That's what they want to sell. Don't do that. Don't compete with that. Go after the diversified products where you create your own niche. That's how you kick Amazon's ass. Don't try and compete with them. Carve out a niche for yourself and own that niche on the Amazon platform. Amazon, it's unlikely that they're ever going to start selling organic baby wipes. They will be very happy just to sell baby wipes. They're going to be happy with that. If they ever do start selling organic baby wipes, then you start selling flushable organic baby wipes, for instance. You go to the next level of sophistication. You stay one step ahead. Hope that makes sense, Scott and Terry. It's an important distinction to make. And again, we did this last week in the Q&A. If you nail that, if you nail the differentiation process, man, you can clean up on Amazon. You truly can. The people that fail on Amazon are the folks that don't take the time to differentiate their product, and then they end up competing with people like Amazon, which they're never going to win. They're never going to win because Amazon's got all the data, they've got all the money. How on earth can you compete with that? Much better to differentiate and go after it that way. So for instance, if I was going to sell yoga mats on Amazon, then I would be selling something like oversized, slip-free bamboo yoga mats, for instance. I would not sell a yoga mat. I would sell a subset of that, appealing to a much smaller niche market that I can then dominate and own the search term. And that's the search term right there. And when you own the search term, it means you're in one of those 3 spots. That's what it means to own the search term. Hope that makes sense. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.